Davey Warner at the top. But then the other one for me, Ollie Davies, how good's he been? He is literally...
Starting with the Hurricanes, the two changes there, Cal, with Wade and Dooley come. Bowled him! The in-swinging Yorker from... Catch it. Goes again. Same result. Good shot. Jilks long down the ground. And the opening boundary. Ellis interested and rewarded. Wade throws it up. And he is given. Davies hits in the air and out towards the boundary. Fahim picks up a wicket. Played on. Davies hits it really hard. Over cover, over the rope. First six. Catch! Hard. Cries of catch it. And the... No, Dooley. Off the bottom edge, away to the boundary with third man up inside the ring. Davies, he's got the array of shots. He is a club. Got him! Another hat-trick! I knew what it was, he's out! Fahim takes the... Cutting works it fine. This is really intelligent stuff from Cutting. Cutting gets that away, down to the boundary. Cutting accesses the leg side to the short boundary. Green seems to think now's the right time. Cutting chops on. We've seen a bit of that today. How's about that? The Wizard's been whacked. Cardia winds up. Goes long. He's caught.
See here, it's still below waist
Fair
anyway.
delivery.
That's fair. That's going to be out.
We can see the...
Oh, Greenie, yes!
Oh, that's close.
Punched into the offside by Jewel. Good movement from Ollie Davies.
Run out for a duck. So... And Jewel is immediately away. He is a player. Short. And that was... Well bowled. Jewel given. Crawley, this is a problem. Needs to be taken. Green under... Boundary for four. Cut by David away. Through the gap and out to the boundary. And now Wade. Oh, that's gotta hurt McAndrew. David to the short boundary. Big boundaries aren't big enough for him. Level up. Wade swings hard. And out to the extra cover boundary. No saving. He was onto that quickly. Go fair. David has miscued a bit, but it doesn't matter. It goes. Flat batted. An umpire killer. Gets it again. Oh, he's taking Cartier to the cleaners. Half century for Tim David, 50 off. Speaking of flying, Tim David now to the long boundary.
Catch. Oh, that could be a
It's
set
over.
off.
It's over for Wade. Going over the top, landing it safely in the outfield, and it does release to the boundary. This should be out. Caught and bowled for... Oh, another bit of punishment. There's example of it. The bottom hand coming through and whipping it over backwards. The Thunder. The Hurricanes win by 5 wickets with 23 balls to spare. Thunder Ollie Davies did really well with the bat. Again, he's in fine form with the bat. Had a disappointing day in the field only.